Staying organized with Apple Notes. Send anything you can snap with your camera directly to Apple Notes. And stop cluttering up your photo library. Have you ever used this camera on the back of your phone to grab a quick snapshot of a napkin note or a receipt or a recipe and then realize later that it's lost in your sea of photos? Hi, my name is John and I make videos about how to make these little devices that we carry around with us every day even more powerful. In this video, I'll show you how to easily save coupons, those napkin notes, box top recipes, receipts, and other scraps of paper that you'd like to keep, but without the annoyances of little pieces of paper everywhere and without cluttering up your photo library. Now, of course, just saving this stuff is only half the battle. So I'll also show you how to quickly find all of this stuff when you actually need it. For this project, we will use a smart folder in our Notes application and a shortcut to capture and display our clippings. Oh, and if you're new to shortcuts, there's a link in the description for a video on how to get started with them. So here's a quick example of how this little clipping shortcut works. Well, I thought I'd go get my haircut this morning, and I went over to Great Clips and they gave me this nice little coupon for $2 because they donated to the Children's Miracle Network. I'll guarantee you that I'll forget this the next time I go to get a haircut. So I think I'm going to put it into my phone, and I'm going to use a shortcut, of course, and I call that shortcut clippings, not because of clippings, but, you know, clipping paper things and putting them into the phone. So here's how I do that. Okay, so we have our coupon. I've set it on the seat here in the car. I'll open up my clippings shortcut. I'll take a photo. I'll kind of center it up there as good as I can. I'll use that photo, and then it asks me what size. All I need is the thumbnail for this, so I'll choose thumbnail, and now I can put a note in here. I'll say Great Clips. All right, I'll say done, and there it is. It made me a note, and it said it was a thumbnail. It extracted the text. Now it's time to go back to Great Clips to get another haircut. So what do? Well, I'll just use my clippings shortcut there and choose Show Clippings. And then I'll find my coupon. Of course, it's on top now, but I could search for it if I needed to search for it later on. I'd like to try something different for this video, so I made a PDF file that walks us through the process of building first a smart folder and then a shortcut for collecting and saving our clippings on our phone. The PDF includes a link to the shortcut itself in case you prefer downloading it to building the shortcut from scratch. It's important to build your Notes smart folder before downloading the shortcut, so please don't skip over that part. Oh, and by the way, this is all free. So here's what the PDF looks like. The link in the description takes you to the Apple EDC resources page, and from there you can download the PDF that has instructions for building your smart folder in Apple Notes. Once that's done, click on the link to download the shortcut, which you can then customize in any way you want. The next pages in the PDF detail the shortcut as a handy reference for learning how it works, or if you would prefer to customize it or build it from scratch. Let's go ahead and download the shortcut. And you'll be presented with this screen. Click Set up the shortcut. Then under Folder, tap on EDC Clippings and find the EDC Clippings Smart folder that you made earlier. Tap it and then tap Add Shortcut. Now I already have this shortcut on my phone, so I'll just say Keep Both. And as you can see, the Shortcuts app goes back to the gallery. Well, don't let that fool you. Just tap on Shortcuts in the lower left, and there's your new shortcut. Now from here, you can just run it, or if you want, you can tap the three little dots to open it up and see exactly how it works or modify it to your liking. Let's go ahead and run it. And it asks us to take a photo, so we'll just take another photo of our coupon. There it is. I'll say use photo. And there may be a instance where you want a full-size image if you need the resolution or if it's something for work, etc. But in most cases, the thumbnail is fine. So I'll tap thumbnail. Then I'll just put in a note here. We'll say, then we'll tap done. And you'll get a security clearance the first time you run it. Just click always allow. One more time. And there we go. And you see we have our Great Clips demo. Now let's run it again and say, let's show our clippings. And then there's the coupon we just did for the demo. Now, of course, you could actually search in the search field in case you've added stuff since you've saved that one coupon. So for example, let's say I'm looking for the spaghetti sauce that I saved to clippings a while back. I'll just type in spaghetti, and there it is. Please let me know in the comments if you prefer the PDF and shortcut link instead of actually walking through building the shortcut in the video. Please check out our Visual Florida Media Services webpage. The link to that is in the description as well. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.